In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate the Stripe payment gateway into your website in just 5 minutes. With Stripe, you can easily add payment processing capabilities to your site, giving your customers a seamless and secure way to make transactions. Let's get started. First, head over to w.stripe.com. Stripe is a highly recommended platform known for its reliability and ease of use. Once you're on the homepage, locate the sign in button at the top right corner and give it a click. If you don't have an account yet, there will be an option to create one, which is a quick process involving basic details and email verification. Assuming you already have an account, go ahead and type in your email and password. This will bring you to the login page of Stripe's dashboard. Now sign in and you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the menu on the left hand side and click on Home. This is your control center where you'll manage and view your payment activity among other things. Now that you're here, you'll want to navigate to the Payments section, also accessible from the left-hand menu. Within the Payments section, find and click on Payment Links. This is a crucial step as it lets you set up a direct payment link for your products or services. On the Payment Links page, look for an option that allows you to add a new product, and go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll see options to fill out your product details. Be sure to include all the necessary information such as the name, description, and price. There will be various settings available including currency selection, taxes, and more. It's important to ensure these are accurate for your specific needs. Once you've entered your product details, make sure to check for any advanced options that might be relevant to your transaction needs. These advanced settings can include discount codes, shipping fees, or other conditional logics that tailor the user's payment experience. After setting all the preferences to your satisfaction, confirm everything by clicking the Pay button, followed by clicking Create Link. This step generates a direct link that can be used for the payment process on your website. Lastly, once the link is created, copy it. This link is what you will embed or share on your website for customers. You can place it on buttons, banners, or anywhere that would attract your customers to make a purchase. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated Stripe's payment gateway into your website. It's a quick process that provides a powerful tool for managing payments efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you elevate your business by making online transactions smoother for your customers.